Aubrey's a film.
Hi everyone and welcome back to Bricks for Therapy and today's edition of Aubrey's Reviews.
Hi everyone.
What are you reviewing today, Aubrey?
Spiderman the Green Lantern.
Spiderman and Green Lantern. Okay, so that's your Spiderman mini crawler.
Yeah.
What do you like about the Spiderman crawler?
He just spider and his tail move and he's move and his legs move and his arms move and then move and his legs move and his leg move and her hands move and her arms move.
And the arms move. Can you show everyone how the tail moves on the crawler?
Yeah.
Okay, and what about showing them how the legs move? Can you move some of the legs? Oh, bring it back down here so we can see. Okay, not too close. There we go. So it moves like that. But Green Lantern isn't part of the Spider-Man crawler set, but you'd like her to play with it as well.
Yeah.
Why?
Because her plays and her play with him. Her play tag with him.
Oh, you play tag with Spider-Man?
Yeah, and her play kick with him and he play and her play kick on his leg and play kick on his robot tail and play kick on his robot leg, play kick on the motor, play kick on the movie remotes.
So is there anything else you want to tell everyone about Spider-Man's crawler?
Yeah, and it go.
And now he's broke. Okay, so that's something for me to fix. So it's time to say goodbye now. Aubrey, to everyone, say goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks everyone for watching and join us again on
Spiderman.
Aubrey's, and he's disappeared. Join us all again on Aubrey's Review.